Hello friends, Madame Printemps, Chantal Pons. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I like to show you some tricks that I use during summer. So my hair is totally white. I do have a little bit of gray in here. Sometimes they get too brassy, and that's what I use a color mousse to give a little bit more depth. And I show you in my previous video that I used the soft gold Lavogie. This you can find this, not the same brand, but you can find this gold. You can find at Target, Walmart, Ultra. You can even find it at a drugstore, any place where they have a beauty industry. So what I do during summer is I fix my hair in different ways. So let me show you this Pons Mitchel. What it does, it just, you see how it just enhances your gray. Doesn't have any purple, there's no purple in here, but it gives a little bit of shine. And this is fun during summer. This is so much fun. So this is a Pons Mitchel Silver Platinum. And you can get this anywhere. This gives me a really soft, professional look. And then I use some hairspray. This is the Chi hairspray. You can find this anywhere, or you can just buy the kind of hairspray you like. And I just spray my hair in here. See? So this is one look. It's very professional. You can even take this into an evening. If I would go out with my husband, then I would put these earring on for the evening with some high heels. I do not have the setup to do that and leave it free. I would make this little bit even more loose. You see how pretty it looks like. This is a very nice summer look. And then I can put some hairspray in here. So this is one summer. And this is very professional to go into teaching, or if you work in the office, or even just to go out. That's very nice. So you can take this, and this is another way to do this. Very, very elegant. So that's what I like long hair. I have lots of barrette, nice barrette. I do have lots of white. Since I have white, I can put any color that I want. So, or I can put this one, or even this one. So I'm going to show you what I like about these barrette is you see how easy they are to put them on. So you can just, and then I'm going to show you the back. So you can loose this even more. If you want this to be a little bit tight, you can just do this, and there you have this very, very nice, elegant style. Teaching is perfect. Going out is perfect. Okay, so my makeup is done. I do not have any foundation in here. Everything that I have a little bit of eyeshadow and a mascara. I have some blue eyeliner that I put inside in here. This is very pretty for summer, very easy. So I just put inside, and it gives a little bit more. See, it just gives a little bit. If I were going to go into teaching, I wouldn't do anything like that. But let's say I want to go out after teaching, and then I want to make a little bit more fun after I want to go out. See, there we go, very easy. So since I don't have any foundation, there's no foundation, everything is done with color. I love playing with color. I don't think there's rules and regulation about what to do and how to do. It's just the way you want it to do. I can't use this. This is a nice pink. This is eyeshadow, and I can use this eyeshadow to put a little bit more here. And you see how it gives a little bit more color. So today I was out all day, so I do have lots of color. I was blessed by the sun today. So if you want a little bit more highlight in here, you could just do a little bit here and bring it up. And I want to make sure it's not too much. So this is a very easy summer look. Now you don't have to part your hair. You can also do this. Put it on the side, and this is also, you could do this. So there's many ways you could do. My hair is a little bit curly. So you see, this is the nice, easy, breezy summer look. So this is fun. This is fun to go out and to anywhere. You can go out to, even if you work in the office. I teach, so I'm in a classroom all day. And it rejuvenates my makeup, my entire makeup. And not only that, it's rejuvenate. It's like you have a tinted moisturizer. And so this is easy. This is good for your skin, because all you do is you take the moisturizer, you had a little bit of brush, or maybe you had foundation. You could just take the moisturizer and just put it all over your face, just the way I did. It will not mess up your foundation or anything, because all you're doing is to put some moisturizer all over, and you see it looks very nice and very fresh. So as I shared with you before, I like la rose posée et la roche posée, and I have to have a lot of this, because all day, and whatever is there. So I hope you have enjoyed my video. I want to show you about a little bit more lipstick in here. Now, if I have white, I will put light lipstick. So I see you next time, and please let me know if you have any comment about this hairstyle. Easy breezy summer look and this easy fresh makeup. This is Madame Printemps, Chantal Pons. Au revoir et à bientôt. Merci.